Hey, 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 now that I'm warmed up, it's on to unboxing number 2. What in the world is in this box? Well, it's another Black Friday purchase. Again, these two things have been stacked up since the week after Thanksgiving. I've just been so overloaded, but I wanted to share this with you. I got some more long-term storage from consumercrafts.com. That is a dangerous site. So let's see what I got. I got air. Lots of air. Don't worry, I won't pop it on you. Can you guys see what's in there? It is the Elizabeth Ward storage, or tiny container storage. Oh. So, during the Black Friday sale, they had these for almost 30% off. So I got a 45-piece one, and I got an 82-piece one. So this is what I use for my long-term storage, and I was running short because I'm getting more and more colors, and I don't have all the colors yet. I think I need to get maybe 3 to 4 more of these, and then I'll be good to go, all set. But until then, I needed to buy these. So check out consumercrafts.com. Usually they'll have a 20 to 25% off sale, maybe once every 2 to 3 months. Sometimes they'll have free shipping, or they'll have $4 flat rate shipping. I believe it was $4 flat rate for this. It doesn't have the prices on my master list. Yeah, but one of these I got for $13, and one of them I got for $14 once the sale price took effect. So I really enjoy consumercrafts.com. They also have some great other storage things that I purchased in the past. They also have a great portfolio selection that I'll be showing in the next couple months. My completed stash again. I think it's time to update you guys on my stash. And that's where I also got my large portfolio that fits up to 40 by 50 paintings. So yeah, so I know this was a really short unboxing, but yay to Consumer Crafts, and I hope that you go check them out and that you have fun with your diamond painting storage. It's January, time to get organized. So I'm off to make labels and see what I can fill these with. So until next time, take care, be blessed. Bye-bye.